Hi guys, my name is Dolores and I'm a food educator at the Free Library of Philadelphia's Culinary Literacy Center, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really tasty tomato bruschetta recipe. The three main ingredients are diced tomatoes, a chiffonade of basil, and minced garlic. To learn how to dice, chiffonade, or mince, check out the Culinary Literacy Center's Knife Skills videos. So what you're going to do is take your diced tomatoes, I have about 2 tomatoes here, put them in your bowl. You're going to add about a clove of minced garlic. You can add more or less depending on your personal tastes. And several leaves of basil that I have chiffonade here. So I like a lot of basil in my bruschetta. I'm going to add those all together. To this we're going to add a little fresh cracked black pepper, a pinch of salt, and a nice hefty drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. We're going to mix this all together. So this makes just a really lovely little tomato salad. To make it a bruschetta, we're going to put it on some crostini, which are thin slices of kind of rustic bread that I have toasted. We're going to take our tomato mixture, put it on top of our toasted bread. And then on top of that, I'm going to add a little drizzle of a balsamic glaze. I made this balsamic glaze by taking balsamic vinegar and reducing it on my stove to about half of its volume, and then it gets nice and thick and syrupy. We're going to drizzle a little bit of that onto our tomato bruschetta, and that's it. Really beautiful, super easy way to use delicious summertime tomatoes.